In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use live captions, also known as closed captions, in Google Chrome for Windows 10 and 11. This feature can be incredibly useful, allowing you to read captions for any audio or video played in your Chrome browser. It's designed to help everyone, including those with hearing impairments, to have a better browsing experience. Let's dive into the steps required to enable this feature and start using it. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 or 11 device. Look to the upper right corner of your screen and locate the three vertical dots. This is where the menu is hidden. Click on it to bring it up. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and select Settings. This opens a new tab where you can adjust various configuration options for your browser. On the left side of the Settings menu, you'll see different categories. Locate the Accessibility option in this list and click on it. Now, once you're in the Accessibility section, look to the right-hand side of the screen to find a toggle switch for the Live Caption feature. Simply click the toggle to turn it on. This action enables live captions in your browser, allowing you to move on to experiencing the captioning feature firsthand. Now that you've enabled the feature, let's explore how to actually use live captions. Start by playing any audio or video content in your Chrome browser. This could be a YouTube video, a podcast, or any other media accessible through the browser. As soon as the audio starts, a small pop-up window with the live captions will automatically appear on your screen, usually at the bottom. This window dynamically transcribes the audio in real time, enhancing your comprehension of the content being played. The caption box is fully flexible. If you decide you don't want to see captions for a specific video, simply click the X in the caption box to close it. Alternatively, you can use the media icon located at the top right corner of the browser to toggle the captions on and off as needed for the specific media you're currently using. If you find that you no longer need the Live Captions feature, it's easy to switch it off. Return to the Settings tab, go back to the Accessibility section, and toggle the Live Caption option off. This disables the feature until such time as you decide to enable it again. That's it. You've successfully learned how to enable and use live captions in Google Chrome on Windows 10 and 11. Whether it's for accessibility reasons or just for convenience, this feature ensures you'll never miss a word. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful Chrome tips.